To all entrepreneurs, online brands, and startups aspiring to build their very own SaaS or mobile applications, this message is for you. The prevailing notion that software development comes with an expensive price tag is a narrative many of you, sadly, may find familiar. Discussions with traditional agencies might have left you feeling sad, as you are faced with codes that seem to dwarf your tiny little budget, leaving your entrepreneurship dreams seemingly out of reach. But let me assure you, this in 2024 is simply no longer true. Well, to be honest, in the past, software development was indeed a formidable task. Back in 2016, when I first ventured into the industry, it was quite a process, demanding huge amounts of time and resources. Teams of developers ranging from front-end to back-end specialists, DevOps, project managers, graphic designers. 8 years ago, you did all of them to build anything. When we built Graham Stephan's Hungry Bull in 2021, we started with 8 developers, 3 graphic designers, 6 people writing content, 2 project managers. God knows how many people above us telling us what to do. He was spending over 50k per month in salaries, and sadly, that was the only way 6 years ago. But now, as you very well know, we have a brand new team member, one who never gets tired, one who you don't have to pay a salary, never lets you down, and one that will work like a slave 24/7 just for you. And that is our new friend, the AI. But what exactly does this AI do for the software industry? As it's still, you can't really click a button and generate software out of thin air. Well, you can't, but 8 years ago, up to 50% of our time as developers wasn't spending actually creating the software itself. It was spent debugging, which with AI, you can kiss goodnight. Remember those late nights staring at lines of code, trying to figure out why your application is crashing? With AI, those days are ancient history. Also, gone are the days of reinventing the wheel with every new project. AI can analyze existing code bases, identify usable components, and tell us, hey, I see you wrote the code for IG stories. I can make a few changes here and there and repurpose this into a new feature, Instagram Reels. And now you have Instagram Reels. As a developer, I can confirm sometimes it feels like ChatGPT is Jesus Christ and he's trying to turn water into wine. Everything you give him to do, it's just crazy, absolutely crazy. I've never built any apps for personal trainers, but I've built a meal planner app for a doctor. And thanks to that, I can now tell ChatGPT, hey, could you repurpose this app to add workouts and make it a personal training app? And ChatGPT will repurpose my code and create a personal training app. And that applies to everything. Now, what else do you need for an app? Graphic design. I don't even need to talk about graphic design because everyone already knows we have so many tools we lost count. Generative AI is crazy. What else do you need? You need a backend, right? You need like this whole software ecosystem. You need a backend, you need servers. My friends, welcome to the era of no-code platforms. No-code platforms are like the instant ramen of the software world. You just add water, or in your case, your creative vision, and voila. You've got a piping hot app ready to serve you and your users with whatever flavor you want. It's quick, easy, and it hits the spot every single time. And this ramen works very well with our secret sauce, Flutter. Flutter, my friends, is the Taylor Swift of the development world. Everyone talks about it, and for a good reason. Flutter makes complex development effortless, and it makes developers never ever getting back together with their old coding habits. Because with Flutter, you write the code once, export it into an app for Android, iOS, web, Windows, Linux, whatever, and you save God knows how many hours, because it's a single code base which exports to 6 platforms. Like, what else do you want? So who uses this Flutter thing? Because if it's so good and so easy to use and so fast, there must be something wrong. Well, it's Google's main programming tool, so pretty much everyone who's not Facebook and Microsoft uses it. I think Google Play is made in Flutter, Google Maps is being built in Flutter, Revolut and all the neobanks are built in Flutter, games like PUBG and Fortnite, probably like 1 billion people use Flutter apps every single day. But that's not the point. The whole message I want to tell you with this short video is very simple. The era of expensive, time-consuming app development is over. So if you found yourself having a good idea for an app, I urge you to take a leap of faith, click the link below and schedule a call with someone from our team. We won't try to sell you anything, it's just having a chat about your idea and telling you the next steps, which you can take with either us or any other developer or agency you like. So click the link below, book a call, and we're going to see each other in the next couple of days.